There are some things in life that are out of your control that you can't change and you got to live with. The choice that we have, though, is either to give up or keep on going.
If you wake up tomorrow morning and blame your failure on someone or something else, you have no reason to change, do you?
I want to ask you, what are you going to believe? Are you going to believe in yourself? Are you going to believe everybody else's judgment on you? Are you going to believe people when they say that you're a failure? No one really likes you. No one really cares about you.
It's that son of a bitch's fault. Son of a gun! I did everything I could. But if you woke up in the morning and looked in the mirror and said, I am failing because of me, the decisions that I make, the energy I put in, I'm not passing the blame. If you look in the mirror tomorrow and say that, you will change.
So sure enough, from poor to rich and from rich back to poor, what do you do now? What occurred to me was that even though my money was gone, I still had the skills. And the skills proved to be more valuable than the money. So I just simply went back to work, went back to the street, went back using the formula I had used in the first place to do well and made many times more what I did the first time. But I think that's the key. You just have to go back to work.
You could be rich, man, but you cannot erase the work ethic part. There is no getting around. Ain't no elevator to the top. You got to take the stairs. The elevator don't go to the top, man. Not in the world of success. You got to take the stairs. Y'all got to start getting gritty, man. I hate it when I see young people wasting their time, wasting all this technology got. Just bull. Just sitting around in this world that's been created for you, that everything is instant.
At the end of the day, don't compare yourself to people that you feel are more qualified than you. Don't compare yourself to people that you think that are more talented than you. At the end of the day, don't compare yourself to other people's gifting. At the end of the day, hard work works. Hard work can always outwork talented people who don't want to work that hard. And so at the end of the day, I know some of us, maybe we don't come from the greatest home environment. We don't come from the greatest social and economical status, but at the end of the day, we are still in control of our lives. I promise you. Put in the work. If you put in the hard work, if you take control and you respect your dream and you respect your craft and you're willing to sacrifice and to get serious about that thing, I promise you over time, you're going to see the thing come alive. Hard work will always create opportunities for us to win in life. I mean that.